Tired of squinting at Albion Online in a cramped screen? Let's ditch the pesky Nvidia Control Panel and learn how to force widescreen for Albion Online. First, you'll need to find the game's configuration files. These files are usually located in your Albion Online installation directory. If you are on Steam, it's in the Steam folder, otherwise it might be in your Documents folder or in Program Files, Albion Online folder. Once you've located your Albion Online installation directory, open the Data folder, then the Config folder inside. You should find several configuration files. Keep searching for the one that manages the game's resolution settings. It's usually a file named something like configsml or user optionsum. But naming conventions may vary. Locate it, right-click it, and then open with Notepad. In this file, you'll likely find lines related to width and height or similar resolution settings. If these lines are missing or you can't find exact names listed, keep looking for settings that control your screen's height and width. If you can't find these settings, then you should add them. These are likely the lines you will need: width 1920, width greater than, and height 1080. Height. Edit the numbers next to width and height. Change these values to your desired widescreen resolution, like 1920 by 1080. Save the configuration file by clicking File, then Save Now. Launch Albion Online. If everything's been done correctly, your game should now start in widescreen format. If something is wrong and the game won't start, you can also try deleting the configuration file and have the game create a new one. Remember, you can adjust the width and height numbers to match your monitor's native resolution. If you're experiencing any issues, double-check the file path, ensure your numbers are accurate, and remember to restart the game after making changes. Enjoy your wider view in Albion Online.